Hey there, I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com. This is called Side Hustle Video Profits. You can see the fellow here in the Arizona desert. I think if I scroll down, I'll be able to show you a picture of his internet setup in the desert that allows him to do, did I miss that or is it there? Okay, here we go. Here's the internet RV. You can travel full-time across the US and work when he wants, where he wants. And I'll show you the course is meant to be a business model. So it's meant to make videos. And here you go. The foundations, basics of video marketing, creating videos, everything you need to know using a phone. Creating videos from multiple platforms, from YouTube to TikTok. Make videos specifically for the platforms and how to make money on each of them. Selecting a niche and getting ready. Everything you need to do. You can work with clients or all by yourself based on what you want to do. By yourself is affiliate marketing kind of thing. The making money roadmap, the exact steps laid out, making money using video literally with your phone, and he'll give you the emails to send and some example videos and scripts to get started. So you're all set up there. Running a profitable business, some great bonuses that come with it. You're gonna love the whole idea. He really talks about profitable side hustle. You earn when you want, what you want, when you want. He's got 2 master's degrees, but he's doing what he says. He's doing this, and it's doing the side hustle videos. So click the link in the video description and go check this out. Side hustle videos, links in the video description. It'll take you to my site at marketingsharks.com. A bit more information there, and then you can click the product box with the little logo kind of thing, and a business with 100% profit margins requiring. And he says absolutely no money to get started. That's probably if you've got a phone. Everything you need to start your business in less than 30 days, the roadmap and steps to success. So check it out. Links in the video description. It's called Side Hustle Video Profits. I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com. Enjoy.